Perché è così la foto?
Hi guys! It's been a while since yung last vlog ko. Naging busy ako these days. Anyway, we're here. We're here sa Porto di Roma. Isa siyang mall dito sa Rome. And now we're going to Ikea. Yes, you heard right. It's Ikea. Okay, it's not Ikea. It's not Ikea. It's not Ikea. Oh, okay. Tinatawag na hala ako. Anyway, yeah, we're going there right now. Ikea. Again and again and again and again. It's my like third time in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And since we're going there, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do the yeah, something like that. It's more of get to know me. I'm gonna answer to 20 questions about me. Since boring kung gagawin ko siya sa bahay, gagawin ko na lang siya sa happy place ko. My happy place is Ikea. Medyo awkward mag-vlog kasi dito sa Italy hindi sila nagvo-vlog masyado, right? Hindi, maadaro. Sana wala masyadong tao kasi mahihayin ako. Shy type ako. Kasi sa Ikea, makikita mo yung mga rooms naka-expose sila para may idea ka na kung what kind of bedroom or living room or kitchen or bathroom do you want. For example, yun, yung pinuntahan ni ate. Then there's another one. The living room, for example, this one. Kitchen. Wow. Ito na mga face ng kitchen. Bathroom. Wow. Creepy. Si papa, si mama, si ate, si kuya, si nanay, si tatay.
Catherine Joy, kaya... Ay, Catherine Joy Dasalya. Catherine Joy Dasalya. Cat. September 17, 2000. Kaya na mag-calculate. Yes, I have a sister. Rome, Italy. I can speak Italian, English, Tagalog, French, and Spanish.
Dignity. Coffee.
I can play the guitar. At natuto ako actually sa church. Winter kasi ayoko sa mainit. I thought na extrovert ako pero lately I realized na introvert pala ako. Right. I'm a tidy person pero pagdating sa closet ko, yun, I'm a messy one. That. Buying this, and this. I'm into K-pop lately, so don't judge me. Pero mahilig akong makinig ng OPM songs. My ate, kasi she's my ate. Wow, so cheesy. Coffee. Pizza. I don't like sweets. Love yourself first before loving others. What kind of question is that? This, and this. I'm prepared for this one. Prepared, not prepared. A beautiful child of God.
So basically yung first floor, puro lang siya, mga rooms, mga ganon, kitchen, living room. Dito naman sa baba, mga gamit talaga sa bahay na pwede mong bilhin, for example. Hanap ako ng plant, kumuha pala si ate.
Pipilin ko ba ito?
Si!
Gumagawa lang ako nito eh.
Oh, wow!
Ay, hindi mo nakita ginawa akong ganito?
No.
Mamaya, papakita ko sa'yo sa bahay.
Puro plants.
Kanya-kanya.
Wow,
Ay, kanya-kanyang bayad ah.
Since may tinitingnan pa din sila mama. Papakita na lang namin sa inyo yung mga binili namin. Let's start from that. So, I bought this. Wow! This one! This one! Wow! Pang banyo. Vases. And then this for tea. You open like this. And last, Igo. Yay! It's my turn. Okay, it's my turn. So, I only bought 3 things. Actually, I contain myself. So, this is for the, you know, it's, yun na yun. Cute. Very aesthetic. Sobrang tagal ko sa mga frames dahil lang dito at dito. Dalawa lang yung binili ko. And yeah, that's it. That, I think, na kind of contained ourselves today. Nice. Pauwi na kami. I hope you can hear my voice. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you liked it. I hope you got to know me more by answering the questions. If you have other questions or if you have any suggestions for my next vlog, just comment down below. Open naman ako sa mga suggestion ninyo. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Remember to like and subscribe.